The Spanish phrase for today's video is I'm going to try it. VOY A INTENTARLO. This is a three-word phrase. Voy, this comes from ir, meaning to go, and in this form, it means I'm going. A, meaning to, and it's used after voy when you're about to do something. And intentarlo. This comes from the verb intentar, meaning to try, with lo attached to the end, meaning it, so intentarlo would mean to try it. Putting it all together, you get voy a intentarlo, meaning I'm going to try it. Let's hear it in a sentence. He estado pensando mucho. Voy a intentarlo.
¿De verdad?
Sí, voy a empezar a grabar esta semana.
Eso me encanta. Quiero ver el primer video.
Again, the phrase is voy a intentarlo. I'm going to try it. Let me know in the comment section below. ¿Qué has intentado recientemente que te daba miedo? And if this video was useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.